Hello, Spirio 760 here. I had a little issue with the lock on my trolling motor in that once I got it on, I was having a lot of trouble getting it off. So I looked for a better lock solution, couldn't find anything that had a hard shackle on it. So I went on Amazon, found this product, and seems like it's going to work all right. So what it has is, there's your lock. It's got a short cable on it. It's got one, it's a little bit longer, and one that's even longer than that one. All right. Came with some instructions about how to set the lock, and it's pretty simple. So it comes with all 4 zeros to start with, and locks in like so. Push the button, it comes out. Won't come out unless you push the button. All right, so we'll put it in there, put it on, set it on 1, and it won't come out. Go back to 0. There you go. And it comes loose. You can also change the cable by pushing this over, and it comes out. Put that back in, and it locks back in place. So to set the number, all you do, it says right here, set. They provide you with a little screwdriver. You can push it over. It's also very easy to do with just your fingernail. We're going to change it to 1, set it back, install it, move it over 1, won't open, opens, go back to 0, 0, locked. Also, nobody can reset it in that. It has to be on the right combination to be able to reset. Goes over. We'll set it back to 0. Like so. And 0 is the unlock. Locked. All right, we'll take it outside and show you how it fits on the locking mechanism on my trolling motor mount, so somebody doesn't take my $1,700 trolling motor and walk off with it. So see you out there. All right, so here we are outside where my trolling motor is mounted, and want to show you the locking mechanism right there. And the way this works is, if you back up a little bit there, you can pull this out here like so, and then you can pull this out completely, and then your trolling motor will disengage from the mount if you need to swap it out or for any reason. So we'll line it back up. Push it in until it engages. Then we'll take the lock And as you can see, it'll fit right down through here. And now it's locked, and hopefully nobody can steal it. Exactly what I needed. All right. See you out there.